Done, ma'am.
Done? Chaliye. So we are going to draw the vowel A first, and vowel A is a very big boy, 10 years old boy. Okay? A big boy. बनाओ.
ये देखो कर लिख जा
बनाइए ऐसे ए को बनाइए एंड उसके लेग्स बनाइए एंड लुक एट who is over there. A's little infant baby brother. Who is A's baby brother in today's story? Yeah, it's E. The letter, the vowel E. So let me make that. E is not a very big child. Okay? E is very small, little tiny baby. Okay? And small legs and small hands. All right. What were they doing one day? The big brother A and this little baby E, they were playing together, together with a toy. Okay. So, what was the toy? The toy was a car. So they were playing with a toy car. Let's draw it. You can draw the car the way you want or you know how to do it. So they were playing with a toy car. Who were playing with a toy car? The big brother A and the little baby E. These are the names. They were playing with the toy car. And suddenly they started snatching. A was snatching the car towards, and E was also snatching the car. And they started fighting. Dishum, 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 fighting started. And when they were fighting, their toy car, what happened to the toy car? It broke.
क्या
It broke and now
मैं टूट गया
टूट गया. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? दोनों रोने लगे. ठीक है. आप देखो ए कैसे रोएगा. ए बहुत बिग बॉय है ना, तो ए बड़ा,
चाइना
या ए बहुत बड़ा सा माउथ खोल के रोया.
कहाँ पे
ठीक है.
कहाँ
उसका
पे
बिग माउथ ओपन करके कैसे रोया. आ माय कार ब्रोक. आ कैसे रोया. हाउ ए क्राइड. कैन यू टेल मी. हाँ, what is the sound of A? Ah, ah, like that. How A cried? Ah, with the very big mouth open. I want all of you to cry like A now. One, two, three. Cry like A. How is A crying? Ah, my car broke. Ah, okay. And he also was crying. Now, how was he crying? Because he is not a very big boy, very small little baby. They cannot open a very big mouth, right? So, with a stretchy mouth, he cried. How he cried? Eh, 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 my car broke. Eh, 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 eh. How is he crying? Cry like E. Very good. Once again. Eh, 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 eh. Cry like that. Very good, Shloka. Shloka is crying so well like E. How about Samrat? Samrat, how is E crying?
नहीं पता।
हाँ, आप तो अच्छा सा कर रहे थे, जल्दी से करके बताओ। हाँ समरथ, हाउ इज ई क्राइंग? जल्दी जल्दी बता दो।
टेबल से मैंने उसको टॉय मारा था।
वेरी गुड।
ये ब्रोक हो गया।
ये ब्रोक हो गई, अब वो क्राई कर रहे हैं ना।
अब उसका टॉय ऐसे ब्रोक हो गया।
बिल्कुल ठीक, ऐसे ही ब्रोक
उसके
होया।
टॉय पे ऐसे क्रैक हो गया, फिर वो टूट गया।
वो टूट गया, वो ब्रेक हो गया। अब वो दोनों कैसे रो रहे हैं समरथ? ए इज क्राइंग लाइक आ, एंड ई इज क्राइंग लाइक ए ए। Okay, Yuvir, you tell how is this A crying, Yuvir? Very good. And how is E crying? हाँ, तो जब ए रोता है वो अपनी साउंड कैसे निकालता है? आ, बिग माउथ ओपन करके निकालता है आ। ओके आयशा, यू टेल, unmute your mic and tell both how are they crying. आयशा की आवाज नहीं आ रही है मुझे। माइक तो अनम्यूट ही है आपका, बट स्टिल आई कांट हियर यू प्रॉपर्ली। Yeah, ah, ah, ah. And what is the sound of E? How E cries? Eh, 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 eh. So you should think of an egg when you are forgetting the sound of E. Egg. Egg. Okay. And you should think of an apple when you are writing or reading the sound of A. Apple. All right, chalo. Now repeat after me. Apple. And egg. Egg. Okay. ठीक है? So now let me, wherever you have drawn the story, you have to write down this for me now. ठीक है? नीचे लिखो b dash t. Same consonants here, b dash and t. We are going to put big brother a in the first one. Okay, and the small little baby eh in the second one, and you have to read these words for me now. So what is the
Bed.
very good. Samrat, you read now. What is the
Bed.
first word?
That.
Hmm.
Bat.
Hmm. Hmm.
Bat.
And what is the second one?
Bat. Bat.
शाबाश। अब देखो मीनिंग चेंज हुआ ना। बैट का मतलब क्या होता है? द क्रिकेट बैट। आई एम प्लेइंग बॉल, बैट एंड बॉल। बट बेट इज जब आप शर्त लगाते हैं ना, आई बेट यू कैन नॉट डू दिस, आई बेट यू कैन नॉट डू दैट। ओके, चलिए एक और वर्ड लिखते हैं, फिर हम बुक वर्क पे जाएंगे। सो कैन वी राइट डाउन this and again same consonants. Now put the big brother A and the little infant baby and read these two words for me. How will you read these two words?
Sad.
Now, other word is not sad. What will be the other word? Yes, Amrit, correct. Set. Very good. Aisha, mic unmute and read after Aisha.
Happy Saturday. Happy. Where what ऐसे ही रोते थे
Right.
वो तेज रोते थे।
हाँ, वो तेज भी रोता है और ये धीरे धीरे रोता है।
उससे ठोके रोता है वो ए बोलता है।
Yes, absolutely correct. Aisha, read this word, first one.
Tractors.
हाँ, second one. Second one.
Set.
Good, very good. Set. Shloka, you also read now. What is the first word?
Set.
And the second word? Set. Now, what is the difference? Sat means when someone was sitting. Okay, she sat on a sofa. She sat on the chair. And I have a set of colors with me. Set. Okay, so words will always change their meanings. So we should understand what is the sound of a, what is the sound of e, what is a, what is e, very, very clearly. Always remember this story whenever you forget. So you can. Aisha, listen.
आप मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए दे सकते
Aisha,
हो?
खाने के लिए भी मिलेगा 10 मिनट के बाद। पहले मैम की बात सुनिए। Okay, so you should always remember this story A and E so that you are not forgetting their correct sounds. Okay, because later when you get confused then you will read wrong. तो आपको हमेशा याद रखना है A cries like ah and E cries like eh. Okay, चलो, now we'll open the book and the same story is in the book. Let's open page number
41.
yes, very good, page number 41. Okay, now see what is written
I
here.
already noticed 41 speed.
देखो ए जो है वो बिग माउथ खोल के रो रहा है ना, आ, एंड ई कैसे रो रहा है, ए. ओके, वावल ए इज अ बिग बॉय, वावल ई इज अ स्मॉल इन्फेंट. When E takes A's toys, A cries with a big mouth open like ah.
आ यहाँ पे होगा, फिर आ यहाँ पे होगा,
और
फिर आ
दूसरा
यहाँ
देखो,
पे,
and when
फिर
A
ए यहाँ
takes
पे
the
होगा, ए यहाँ
toys,
पे होगा,
E
देखो
cries like a small
ए
baby,
ए
mouth less
ए,
open,
देखो ए यहाँ पे.
eh. अब नीचे क्या करना है हमें, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, लुक एट द माउथ शेप्स, यू ऑल्सो मेक योर माउथ शेप लाइक दिस एंड राइट वेदर इट इज आ और ए. ओके, when you will be writing this you have to open your mouth also like that, eh eh eh. Okay, do this. Charger. Yes, done. Done.
How? What do we have to do?
Very good.
Which is big mouth? You have to do
Ah,
right.
right. When it is
No,
a stretchy
I
mouth.
already know.
Very good. Samrat has already finished. What about Shloka?
Ma'am, I already know how to do this.
Nice, Samrat. Shloka is done now.
Yes.
Okay, what about Yuvi? Yuvi is doing it. And Aisha, you have written? Okay. Fine. Now, here you have written a and e. So, let's write down one word also from a and e here only in the book itself. Okay. So, think of a word which has a in the middle and write down yourself. Think of a word with e in the middle and write a word yourself. Okay. I am just putting blanks. You will think on your own and you will write down a word on your own. ऊपर लिख दो, ठीक है, कहीं पे भी लिख दो, बट अब एक एक वर्ड खुद से सोच के लिखो. लाइक फर्स्ट वन आई कैन डू, यू कैन राइट ऑन बैग. ओके, so think like this is a, so think of a word with a and write it. Think and write, शाबाश, सोचिए, लिखिए.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Aisha, what is your first word? So speak a sentence from that word now.
This is a apple.
Okay, what is your second word?
I have a egg.
I have an egg. Okay, what is your third word?
Look, this
Okay, very good. What is your next word? Think a sentence from that now. आयशा सोच के बताना, किसके बैकग्राउंड से बहुत शोर आ रहा है? वीर योर्स?
Writing.
हाँ आप लिखो, मैं आपको म्यूट पे कर रही हूँ बिकॉज योर बैकग्राउंड इज नॉइसी, ठीक है? समरथ, डिड यू राइट योर वर्ड्स? श्लोका, आई थिंक यू आर डन राइटिंग ना?
No.
ओके, राइट.
This is a egg.
This is an egg.
This is an egg.
Where did you write egg? अच्छा, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है आपने? What is your word number 5, आयशा?
This is an apple.
This is an apple. Did you write apple? अच्छा, okay. ठीक है, चलो लिखने दो सबको. श्लोका, okay, Shloka. Now please tell me one sentence from each of the words that you have written.
Cat.
Okay, what can you speak about it?
This is my pet cat.
Okay, very good. This is my pet cat. What is your next word?
Pen.
Pen. Very good. What can you speak about a pen?
I am writing with my pen.
Very good. Next word.
Bed.
Okay, what can you speak about it?
I am sleeping on my bed.
Okay, next word.
Cup.
Cup. But you do not have any sound here. It's a.
Cat.
Cap, right? Okay, what can you speak about cap?
I had a new cat.
All right. In your next sentence, you will not use I. Okay, what is the next word?
Pen.
Fan. Fan. Okay, tell me something about fan.
My friend have pen.
My friend has a fan. Okay, very good. What is your last one?
Set.
Set. Chalo, what can you speak about set? I have a set of.
Colors.
Yeah, good girl. Chaliye, Samrat and Yuveer, are you done?
Yeah.
चलिए सम्राट, sentences बताएंगे. What can you speak with your first word?
क्या वर्ड लिखा है आपने?
Word बताओ पहले.
एक्टर. एक्टर सेंटेंस बताओ मैम को भेज रहा हूँ.
बताओ.
मैम मैम को पूरा बोल दो और एक बोलना है.
Sentence बताना है बेटा.
मैम को पूरा बोल दो और एक बोलना है.
पूरा बोलना है.
No, you
Okay.
have to. No, you have to do it. हूँ टीचर ने.
My cat is sitting on a mat.
शाबाश. दूसरा वर्ड क्या है आपका?
My cat. Cat is. Next word.
Okay, cat है.
Cat.
બનાવવાનું છે બેટા.
Cat.
The
The squeak fish.
happy sentence બનાવવાનું છે.
What is this? What is your second word should have E in the middle ना? कि आप ये वाला बता रहे हो मुझे?
Yes ma'am, he is telling you that one.
अच्छा ठीक है, फिर बताओ. बोलो sentence बताओ.
He has written cat.
Okay, cat. Speak something. अच्छा, cat का तो आपका पहले भी आपने कुछ cat वाला ही बोला ना?
એવો એક વર્ડ બનાવો વચ્ચે આ હોય એ રીતના.
Cat.
The cat says. Cat says.
Bang.
Bang.
Cat
એટલે
Cat is.
fish. क्या बोला था?
cat
What is that?
eating fish.
It's a big word, right?
Very
You
good.
cannot
Cat
just
is eating fish. Okay, next word is number
stand,
3.
ran,
Okay.
and
ये लिखा है आपने.
क्या
no,
वर्ड
cat
लिखा है आपने?
is another word.
Pet.
Pet.
Stand.
Okay, pets
My
लिखा है.
my son is sitting
Bed
on a
रख
bed.
दीजिए, pen रख
Bed.
दीजिए.
Okay, very
Hand.
good.
Okay,
Next
hand is
word. What is the next
hand.
word?
Rat.
Rat. Okay, what can you speak about rat?
समझ that पे sentence बोलो.
Yeah.
बोलो.
Rat.
सारी बनाना है.
मैं लगा
Rat
that पे
बताओ
sentence बोलो.
समृद्ध. Rat runs here and there.
मैम मैं बोल हुई हूँ.
Auntie, please.
चलो बोलो बोलो शाबाश. Very good
बोलो.
boy. Come on, fast fast.
क्लास में ध्यान. ये लिखो.
Rat क्या करता है? Rat क्या खाता है? Rat कहाँ भागता है? Anything that you can speak about a rat?
That away for cat.
Okay, rat
First.
runs away from a cat. चलो अगला वर्ड क्या है आपका समृद्ध?
ठीक है. वो
वेरी गुड. रेड. अच्छा ठीक है. रेड पे बोलो. क्या बोलोगे?
I have a red scooter.
Very good. Very nice. What is your last word?
Bed.
Okay. Bed.
Beck.
Beck. What is that?
I don't know.
Ma'am, he has written two words. One is bed and one is bet.
Bet. चलो bet पे बोलो.
Bet पे बोलो इस पे. Bet.
I bet. I bet my
I
son.
bet. Very good. I bet.
My son win.
Okay. अच्छा ठीक है.
मैं
Very nice.
मम्मा ने क्या था?
हाँ ठीक है. अच्छी बात है ना. चलो अभी हम युवीर से पूछेंगे. सो युवीर, your
मैम
chance
मैम
is
मैंने
युवीर.
बोला नहीं बोला बोला.
बोल दिया.
तो आप what all words you have written? हाँ बताओ बताओ शाबाश.
આ word થી તારે બનાવવાનું છે.
I have a bag.
I have a bag. What is your second word?
આ તે શું લખ્યું છે?
I sleep on a bed.
Shabash. Next word.
What is it?
I have a pen.
I have a pen. Very good. Next.
I have a hat.
Ham
You
is it?
everything you have. Now you are not you will not say I have. Okay. Think of something else for the other next word.
Okay, say about pen. Some sentence.
Don't say I have a pen. Something else.
Pen give us wind.
Ah, very good. Next one.
What is this? What you have written?
10 chocolates.
So say a complete sentence now. 10 chocolates.
10